Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can delete your search history on Instagram application. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your Instagram application. As soon as you open your Instagram application, the interface gonna look like this. In the bottom right corner, you can see a profile icon, tap on it. On the other page, you will land inside profile page. In the top right corner, you can see try bar icon, tap on it. As you tap on try bar icon, there is a pop-up, so from there you'll have to tap on your activity. As you tap on your activity, on the other page you have all your information, so from there scroll down. And right in between you have recent searches, tap on it. As you can see right over here, these are all a list of people that have searched. In order to delete your search history, all you have to do is tap on clear all, which is in the top right corner. As you tap on it, right in center there is a pop-up, so from there you'll have to tap on clear all. As you can see, all the searches has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your search history on Instagram application. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.